this is the unboxing or unpackaging of the AUTOHAUX front wipers for the BMW i3. I got them from Amazon after watching a YouTube video of places where you can buy them, and then I just decided to try place an order. The wipers usually cost at BMW for $100 or more, and so I didn't want to pay so much for wipers. So I found this one YouTuber that had a reference link to buy it from Amazon from this company, and it ships from China, so it did take a while to get here, but I think if it works out, it'll be worth the wait. Alright, so it comes in packaging that's just plastic, and you just cut it off. And has this white box. Half of it's still in the bag. I just slipped it off. And there we go. So it comes off like that. Comes out like that. It looks like the rubber, this green piece covers the rubber part to protect it. And it has this folder. That's the long one. Here's the shorter one. That's it. That's all that came in the packaging. This is just the part of the box. Here's the other side of it. I believe because it went through customs, they had to open it and then repackage it just to make sure there's nothing harmful in there. Yeah, it was delayed in customs for maybe 3 or 4 days, and so I did get a warning message when it was being delivered that it was delayed, but it eventually got cleared and got here within the estimated time that was displayed on Amazon when I placed the order. So in case that happens to you when you place the order, just know that eventually it does clear customs and it does get shipped and delivered to your house. So I'm gonna try and install it next, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like this unboxing video, and leave a comment. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.